Hello, and welcome to NeoEnglish, our daily English podcast for beginner learners. I am Eric.
Hi, I am Ava, and today we explain a strange NFL moment. Jalen Hurts turned the ball over twice on one play.
First, we will give a short, simple summary of the news. Then we will explain vocabulary and phrases and give examples.
Short summary. In the second quarter, Jalen Hurts threw a pass that led to 2 turnovers on the same play, something that is very rare or maybe never happened before in the NFL.
Turnover means the team with the ball loses possession to the other team. Common turnovers are interceptions and fumbles.
An interception is when a defensive player catches a pass meant for an offensive player, and a fumble is when a player loses the ball while running or being tackled.
In this story, a pass was intercepted, and then because of later events on the same play, the ball changed hands again. So people say Hurts had 2 turnovers on one play.
Now, let's explain the important words and phrases from this story and how to use them in simple sentences.
Word. Turnover. Example 1. The team had a turnover in the third quarter. Example 2. Turnovers can change the score quickly. Use it when the ball moves from one team to another.
Word. Interception. Example 1. The quarterback threw an interception. Example 2. After the interception, the defense ran the ball back. Use it to say a pass was caught by the other team.
Word. Fumble. Example 1. He fumbled the ball near the goal line. Example 2. The defender recovered the fumble. Use it when someone drops or loses the ball, and the other team can take it.
Phrase. On one play. Example 1. 2 players were injured on one play. Example 2. He scored 2 points on one play. Use this to say events happened during the same single action in the game.
Phrase. In the second quarter. Example 1. In the second quarter, the team scored a touchdown. Example 2. The coach made a change in the second quarter. Use it to tell when something happened during the game.
Word. Unprecedented. Example 1. The concert attendance was unprecedented. Example 2. This test result is unprecedented for the school. Use it to describe something new or never seen before.
Now a short background. The Philadelphia Eagles play in the NFL, and Jalen Hurts is their quarterback, a key player who usually throws and runs with the ball.
Quarterback is the player who usually leads the offense and throws passes, so when a quarterback has a turnover, it is big news.
Let us explain how you can use these words in daily English. Not only for sports. You can say turnover for business or jobs, when people change positions or companies.
And intercept can be used in general. Example 1. He intercepted the letter before it reached her. Example 2. The teacher intercepted the message. It means to catch or stop something meant for someone else.
For beginners, a good practice is to make short sentences. He made a turnover, or the ball was intercepted. Repeat these to get comfortable.
To make sure you understand the story, Hurts' play started with one action. Then, because of several events on the same play, the ball left his team twice, which is unusual and why people talk about it.
Quick tip. When you read sports news, focus on verbs like threw, intercepted, fumbled, recovered. They tell you what happened quickly.
Recap time. Vocabulary: turnover, interception, fumble, quarterback, possession, unprecedented, second quarter, on one play. Phrases: turn the ball over, on one play, in the second quarter.
Story recap. Jalen Hurts had a rare sequence where his team lost the ball twice on the same single play in the second quarter. This is unusual and got a lot of attention.
If you want to improve your English with daily news like this, please subscribe to NeoEnglish so you don't miss new episodes uploaded every day.
Thank you for listening. Practice the vocabulary and phrases we used today, and try making your own sentences about the news.
See you tomorrow on NeoEnglish for another short, clear news story and English lesson. Goodbye.